Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I got a new alarm clock. Something happened. My alarm clock just stopped working all of a sudden. I had it set to go off early Friday morning on the panel, and it did. It just stopped working. I'm glad I didn't have to go to work or anything like that. I bought this. This was through Walmart for around 10:38 or something like that. Got delivered same day. This alarm, I've never heard an alarm like this before. It's annoying, but that's good. I'll be able to get up for work. Wake me up. But before, the alarm's like, man, 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 man. But this one's completely different. I never had an alarm like this, so I wanted to show it to you. This is the first for me. Here you go. This is the alarm. Gets more annoying. Isn't that annoying? That'll wake you up, but it's not as bad as, it's different, a different sound, so I'm waking up differently,